Hello guys, welcome again to my vlog. In this video we're going to be showing you guys how we burn the wood and then tint it, okay? So I got my old friend here, Yosef, who's doing the burning work. This is Mr. Joseph. So you see guys, we use the normal, as I showed you before, gas with the burner, and we start burning the wood so that the texture shows better, as you can see. So the more fire you give it, the more you show the texture. And as you can see here, we've got already more pieces done, and every piece by piece, when it reaches to this stage, we start doing it piece by piece, okay guys, as I said. So every wood reacts differently to the heat, and it gives a different kind of texture, which makes the pallet work kind of unique. So you see, this one doesn't have a lot of texture. It's simply giving some black, brownish finishing. So in this case we don't burn it a lot. We just keep it this way so that when it's tinted, the color is all similar, and it shows a little bit the texture, not a lot. In comparison with the other pieces, you can see every piece has a different texture to it, a different finishing to it. So this goes on and on, piece by piece, guys. After we break down the pallets and pass them through the machine, as I showed you, from both sides to clean the surface and maintain the thickness, we start with the burning, and after the burning we start with the tinting process, and after that it comes the cutting and the assembly, which in the next video you will be seeing, guys. So hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to tune up, follow up, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you can guys see the rest of the work and how it's done. Cheers y'all, peace, see y'all later in the next video, and do make sure you keep your comments. I'm very interested in knowing what you guys have to say, and thanks again for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, huh? Cheers guys, bye bye, see y'all later.